Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study about del statement, okay, which is basically used to delete elements. So here, there is a way to remove an item from a list given its index instead of its value, right? So actually, in some previous lecture, I have already said about the common methods which are used in list, right? And there we have studied about clear and remove. These methods we have already discussed. So let me show you. Like here, clear is there, right? So list dot clear, it removes all items from the list. So this is there, which is equivalent to, so here this del statement is written here, but I did not describe anything about this because of this lecture, that in this particular lecture we will study about this in detail. Okay, after that, this remove method is also there in list, which removes the first item from the list whose value is equal to, so here actually whatever element we pass here in X, that particular element gets deleted from the list, okay, wherever the first match is there. But if I use the delete statement as it is written here, in this case what happens that we can pass an index, and based on that index, in that index whatever element is there, that gets deleted. Okay, all right. So this differs from the pop method which returns a value. Okay, so it is again different from the pop method because it does not returns a value. Okay, the delete statement can also be used to remove slices from a list or clear the entire list. Okay, so it can happen that a particular slice we are taking off a list, that from this index to that index you have to delete it, so that also we can do, or maybe we can clear the entire list, that is also possible. Okay, so which we did earlier by assignment of an empty list to the slice. Okay, so which we have seen earlier, that if you want to delete it, then you can directly assign some empty list there. So that is how, also that is another way of deleting, but by using del statement also you can do it. Okay, so here one example is written, as you can see. So a particular list has been taken here, right? Now here what is written, delete a of 0, that means the first element, the element which is present in index 0, that has to be deleted. So that means here -1 should be deleted. So after deleting -1, when a has been printed, then you see from 1 to the last element everything is printed, but not -1, that means it has got deleted. After that, one slice has been taken off the list, which is from 2 to 4. So that means basically the index 2 and 3, right? Because 4 is excluded. So from this list, what is 2 and 3? These two numbers, right? So they will be deleted, and exactly that has been deleted, and the rest of the elements are printed here, right? Again, if you're writing it this way, that is any start and end index you're not giving, that means it includes the entire list, right? So that means the entire list will be deleted, and if you're printing A, then empty list is printed, right? After that, del can also be used to delete entire variable. Let us say this variable A itself you want to delete, so that its existence only gets removed from the program, then that also we can do by writing delete A. So here any square bracket is not there and any indexing is not there. Directly we are writing delete A. So this A variable itself will be deleted. So after that, after deleting, after executing this particular statement, if we want to refer this A, okay, so referencing the name A hereafter is an error. So after this we will get error. Now exactly what I mean, I am going to show you practically. So at least until another value is assigned to it. Definitely if another value we are assigning, then it is fine, but otherwise A will be invalid. Okay, so we will find other uses for del later. So later, whatever other detailing is provided in the tutorial, we will see that. But as of now, let us now understand all the points which has been described till now. Okay. So here I'm in the shell, and here you have to invoke the interpreter, and after that we have to first of all take a list. So let us say some random elements we are taking. Let us say like this, something. Okay, and after that, let us say I want to delete something, right? So if I write here delete a of 2, let us say, right? So a of 2 means the element which is present in index 2, so that is 3, right? Because 0 1 2, so 3 is present in that particular index, and so 3 should be deleted. So let us say 3 has been deleted, and now if I print this A, so you see you cannot see 3 2 5 7 8 9 1, so remaining are there. Okay, After that, what we can do, so slicing is also possible, so let us do that. And here, let us say from 1 to something, let us say till 5. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, these elements should be deleted, right? So if I do that and I print A, then 2 and 1, these two are only remaining, rest all these 4 elements got deleted. So this is what is happening. Okay, after that, we can also write it this way, that is, let us say all the elements I want to delete. In that case, what to do? In that case, I can write it this way, that is no start and end. In that case, it will include the entire list and everything will be deleted, right? So now if I print this A, as you can see here, empty list is getting printed, right? But you see here, this A is still having existence. I am referring this A, right? Reference means what? Using the name. So I'm using the name and empty list is getting printed. So this is still valid. We are not getting any error, right? On this A, again I can append something and I can do that. But otherwise, if I write here delete A like this, no square bracket, nothing, just A, that means this A itself I'm deleting, right? So if I do that, and after that if I try to print A now, okay, so now it is giving what? Name error, because this A itself, the existence is only not there of this A anymore, right? So that is why when I'm trying to print A, I am trying to reference it now, but it is not pointing to anything, nothing is there. So that is why I'm getting name error, and the error is saying that name A is not defined. So this is what is the point which is mentioned here, right? Mentioned here, that referencing the name A hereafter is an error. Okay, until what? At least until another value is assigned to it. So now let us say if I'm assigning something to this A, let us say A is equal to 8. If this is what I'm writing, then of course it got a new definition, right? So now it is okay. Now if I print this A, 8 will be printed. So I had to redefine it, but otherwise still before that I will get name error because A has been deleted completely. Okay, so this was the point, and these are the different ways how delete statement can be used. I will definitely recommend that you try multiple other examples by yourself and try to see that what kind of output is coming. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and otherwise I'm ending this lecture here. Thank you.